As the question says, the door of an almirah is 6 feet high, 1.5 feet wide and weighs 8 kg. The door is supported by 2 hinges situated at a distance of 1 feet from the ends. If the magnitudes of the forces exerted by the hinges on the door are equal, find the magnitude. Since only the magnitude is equal, let us first draw the diagram for this question, in which this being the door on which an mg force has been applied, these being the hinges. In order to balance the mg force, a force F1 and F2 will be applied by the hinges in the upward direction. Now they cannot be in the opposite direction, because in case F2 is in downward direction, then F1 and F2 will be different, because F2 plus mg would be equal to m1 in that case. And in that case, the normal reactions will need to be different in order to balance these, and the ultimate magnitude will come out to be different. So, and now we will be having an N1 force over here, and since we don't have any force in the horizontal direction apart from these normal reactions, the N2 by the second hinge will be in the opposite direction, right? So framing the equation right now, we can write down mg equals to F1 plus F2, that is the vertical equilibrium. Also we can say that N1 equal to N2 for it being in horizontal equilibrium. And since they have given us the resultant 1 is equal to resultant 2 in magnitude, so we can say that F1 magnitude should be equal to F2 magnitude, because N1 is equal to N2. From this we can write down twice of F1 equals to 8g, or F1 equals to 4g, that is 40 newtons. Now let us balance the torque about this hinge, that is this point. So we can write it as N1 into 4 equals to, right now we are balancing this about this hinge, right? The upper one. So that we can write it as N2 into 4 equal to mg, that is 8g, into 0.75. Putting the values over here, we get N2 equals to 15 Newton. Now finding the resultant force, which is under root of, this was equal to N1, so we can have F1 square plus N1 square, that is equal to 42.72, or approximately 43 newtons.